Hi, it's Jan. Today I'm going to make a video on how to make the Simon Says Stamp Perfect Bow. I'm in the process of making Valentine cards, and I have these little extra scraps, like when I cut, this is obviously not the same paper, but when I cut a 6x6 piece of cardstock from, like, I love these little Doodlebug 6x6 paper pads. When I cut a little card out of it, and I have the excess pieces from the side, cut like the top off, and then do a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 page, I end up with these little pieces left over. And I wanted some bows on my cards, so I had this perfect bow from Simon Says Stamp, and it works out really well for these little extra pieces. I think I'll do this one right now. Of your cardstock. And I just hate throwing this away. You know, it drives me nuts to throw too much paper away, but yet I don't want a bunch of clutter around, which is par for the course for this particular craft that we do. It seems like there's a lot of extra scraps. So this is just the right size to cut this perfect bow out. You won't see this on camera. Everybody that does this, I'm sure, has a die cutting machine and knows how to use it. If not, there's tons of tutorials. So I picked it up and the pieces fell out. So this is what's left over. I have several of them to make the bow. This is really a quick little thing to put together. If you can get your fingers to work and pick them up. And you can tell I've made several from the scraps I have. This is Tombow mono permanent adhesive tape roll. You put some tape on that little cross piece. Line this up so that it's best if you put a pencil here. Line it up so that it lines up with the piece behind it. Pencil helps keep the bow. This is the band in the center of the bow. I'm doing this on plastic so I don't get the sticky all over my mat. That's the back side, sorry. And then, now, according to the package, the flat side of the bow goes toward the bottom, and you would be putting it on like this. But as you see, I've put my coffee cups upside down, this pattern. I wasn't paying attention, so I put my coffee cups upside down. So I need to turn my coffee cups right side up. Stick it where I put the sticky tape on. Then this is 1/4 inch double stick tape. And there you have a perfect little bow to put on your card. This comes from the same set of paper, so all the colors go together. And of course, I can't seem to get my fingernail under this protective tape. And there you go, little bow on your card. Anyway, just wanted to show you how to put these together, how to use your extra scrap papers. Hope you have a great day. And if nobody's told you they love you yet today, I do. Bye-bye. Thumbs up.